Hospitals across the country have struggled to get ventilators, and getting replacement parts can be even more difficult.
A local technology company owned and operated by U.S. veterans are trying to change all of that. They're taking orders from hospitals and saving lives in the process. ABC 7 senior investigative reporter Lisa Fletcher with the story that's all new for you at 5.
It's a new kind of front line for the men and women at Compendium Federal Technology.
We're all used to defending the country from aggressor nations, and now we have the opportunity to defend the nation from aggressor viruses.
This company, owned and operated by U.S. veterans, typically does sophisticated work for the U.S. military, but retooled their 3D printers when they learned St. Mary's Hospital needed ventilator parts and face masks.
I made a cold call, said, "Doctor, this is what we were doing." I brought a sample of one that we had done.
The doctor, MedStar St. Mary's Chief Medical Officer Stephen Michaels.
These engineers come from Patuxent Naval Air Station, and these individuals are highly trained people who are designing and constructing parts that go into our military infrastructure.
Until 3 weeks ago, when O'Connell and his team started making shields and ventilator parts around the clock.
It's stretchy, it's heat resistant, and you can sanitize it.
The parts that they were 3D printed are very crucial to the ventilator itself.
Respiratory therapist Suzanne Abel says this little part is what tells doctors if the patient is being properly ventilated. She says it also tells everyone a lot about the people who live in her community.
Can't even express into words how grateful we are to the community and to these engineers for taking their time and going above and beyond and just helping us out.
Compendium Federal Technology is doing all of this for free. Captain O'Connell told me he and a lot of the guys work on this at night so they can make deliveries in the morning. And just yesterday, he and his wife made a delivery to a local vet's home. Now, we should also point out that MedStar is not running out of ventilators or ventilator parts. They are simply planning ahead. They tell me that some of these parts cannot be ordered, so they want to have all of their bases covered. In the newsroom, Lisa Fletcher, ABC 7 News.